What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make money by tagging images and doing other simple tasks. All you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so before we dive into this simple money-making opportunity, keep in mind that you won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. If you're interested in building a long-term business and making some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. But we save that for the end because this is a perfect way to get started to make a few extra bucks while you build a long-term online business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. So, we are actually going to a site today called Remote Tasks, just like you say remote tasks. And this is how it looks when you arrive here. So it clearly says that you make money by doing tasks. You can start earning from home today. And if I just scroll down a little bit here, you can see that here is an image. You see there how they tag, and you actually draw boxes. It is super simple, okay? And you submit the task. So that is more or less. So if we scroll down a little bit and have a look at it, you tag images, you transcribe audio, moderate content, and you can see here they say that we have many interesting tasks for you to do. English fluency is the only requirement. So it works like you have to sign up first. It's really easy. You can do it via Facebook or of course via your email sign up there. You will have to take a few exams here, and you do the tasks in categories that you are unlocked. So it's all based on actually the exams that you will take there, what you're capable of doing. And then of course you get paid weekly via PayPal, and there is no limits also, which is really awesome. You can see here each exam unlocks tasks for you to do. Example of tasks you can do are drawing boxes around cars, so that is the tagging, moderating content, identifying spam, and categorizing t-shirts. The tasks are provided from multiple companies, from small startups to public companies. Some examples include self-driving car companies and t-shirt startups. They trusted us and you with completing these tasks. So if we have a look at it here, the tasks more in detail, here is an image annotation. You just draw a box around it, as you could see earlier here also. Categorization, you help identify keywords that describe images, what's in an image. So you can see this is a perfect example. It is a dress or a coat. I'm sorry, it is a coat actually, and it is purple and it has cotton. So when people they search with a specific tag, they want a coat, so there you will have to add that tag, so it will be easier for them to find that product. That is how the categorization works. Then you can also do some OCR, image transcription, transcribe important content from an image. Comparison, you can draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where. There is some audio transcription available also, the way you can transcribe voice recording for people to read, and some data collection, where you search the web and collect data about anything. Here are some taskers. You can see here they have left some testimonials. So very popular site actually. I've seen a lot of good feedbacks around the globe when I did the research. So here are some FAQ. Do you have to work on a minimum number of hours? There is no minimum to get paid each week, which I mentioned earlier, and that is really cool. So you don't have to force yourself to make up to 10, 20 or something like that. They just pay out weekly, period, that's it. What if you're confused about a task? We have an active online community where you can get advice, so that is really nice also. You join of course by signing up, neither via Facebook as I mentioned earlier, or if you want to do the manual way with your email and so on. How do I withdraw my earnings? Please be sure to add your PayPal. You will get paid via PayPal also. Really nice. And you just make sure you will add your PayPal account in there, and you will get paid, of course, to your PayPal. Do we have to pay? Of course not. This is totally free. You can use the mobile. While it's possible to log in using a smartphone, we discourage you from doing complex tasks like 2D and 3D annotation on any device other than a laptop or desktop. So it is preferred actually to work on your computer here. Will I really get paid? Yes, of course you will. You will taking exams to get more tasks, and you will get paid per accepted task, of course. The amount paid will vary depending on task complexity. They pay you via PayPal, we already mentioned this. And how do I task? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it actually. You can have a look at it here also at your own pace. Anyway, it's definitely worth to sign up to make some money and doing some stupid simple tasks, I would say actually, because it doesn't require too much to just draw some boxes around the car or put some tags in here. So that is about remote tasks. Now keep in mind, as I said in the beginning, you probably won't get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in building a real online business and making some serious money online, you definitely want to check out the link in my description below here. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't leave yet. You'll find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. I highly suggest you to subscribe to both these channels. Both are mine and both are related to make money online and work from home opportunities. Also, make sure to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Plus, you also find another Make Money Online recommended video there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.